Hey guys, it's Taylor here and welcome back. Today we are going to be seeing what people trade for a neon unicorn, so let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to teleport to the gifts. Yes, I am wearing Don't Trip Army merch. We are having kind of trouble getting our merch. Why do they jump so high? So yeah, and my friends aren't on right now. I think some of them are. This is my friend right here. I'm going to show this one how to YouTube. They won't let me say YouTube fully for some reason, so I have to say YouTube UY space. So I have a tablet again because you just drove off. Oh my gosh, she keeps on driving away. Oh my gosh, please stop. Oh my gosh, Cute. Say hi, guys. Wait. Okay, she wants to know my channels. Okay, that's my channel if she doesn't know what it is. But, go follow her TikTok. I'll put it down in the description below. And I'll put mine too. So she doesn't have any offers for my unicorn. But I just wanted to introduce you guys to her. Okay, let's go see what people trade because I get funny trade requests from her. Let me turn on my trades. Yeah, everyone can trade with me now. Oh, someone got scammed. I want to be nice and get her a pet for free because I feel bad for her. We got for our first. Oh, she's already trading someone, so I'm gonna trade her. Oh, she declined, I guess. Let me give her an item from the backpack. I'll give her a frog. Okay, first trade request. That's very under. I would prefer 4 king bees, except for these. There's only 2. He's putting in 2. That's under actually. I'm sorry. I'm gonna decline that. Sorry for the background noise. It's just my puppy. Okay. So I need to go. I'm gonna get my. No, I need to go. Show my avatar. Hold on. Let me put my avatar that I have. Okay, this is my avatar. Let me put the hair, that brown hair that everyone was on top of it. Let's put that. Okay, now let me just get the animation. What was the one that I had? I'll do robot, I guess. Okay, that's perfect. There we go. Hold on. Let me go down here. Oh, make sure you join my group. It's called the Sweet Bears. Yeah, Sweet Bear Army. So make sure you join that. We're gonna trade this girl right here with the unicorn. Let's see what this. Oh, why did everyone decline? What about this toucan? I'm really close to the toucan right now. I have 1 more to go, and then I get 400, and then I get the toucan. But I really want to trade him so I can make a neon. I'm trying to get a neon bear. Ooh, I want to see if he accepts. I just want to see, because this is actually the fairest trade ever. It's full green as well. I don't know if I should do this one. I don't know. Should I? Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I can't. I don't. No, I can't. Okay. So guys, we're gonna go over here and trade this guy. He looks kind of cool. I think he's a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber. That's a YouTuber, dude. Dude, He got his little jetpack hat. Hold on, let's get our hoverboard. Hoverboard out right now. Okay, guys, he just moved his house and he locked it. No, he didn't. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. I need to go spawn my house somewhere. Right here. This will work. Well, let me change the color real quick. I didn't change it. I got it this blue color, actually. This is the sweet red tower just sitting. Let me get a dark blue. Like this. Okay, there. We got it. Okay, that guy didn't want to trade. So, we're gonna go find someone else to trade with. What about this girl? Hold on. She has a green scooter. Oh, I have a neon pink scooter. Ow. Okay. I really want that green scooter, so I'm gonna ask for that green scooter. Wait, hold on. Why is everyone trading me? I don't get that. I might accept this, actually. If he accepts, then I'll accept. Because it's actually a really fair trade. Oh, never mind, he just took off. Oh, that scooter's flying in the air now. Whoa, everyone thinks, like, this, doesn't this look like a neon, golden dog? I'm not kidding, but it's like neon dog. It's a neon dog. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh, this is about to die. Hold on, guys. Okay, I got the charger. Sorry about that. That was not supposed to happen. Wait, what? It's not working. Ow. It's plugged in. The box is in. Oh my goodness. Now I gotta get some cord and we'll get back to it. Okay, let's charge it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna add like my best stuff to see what he's gonna offer. Because I don't, that's not really fair. So I'm gonna slightly discount it. Why is this here? Like, I don't get why this is here. Why is this here? What? What? We're gonna spin. Well, since we didn't get any trades, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and give the video a big thumbs up. Bye, guys!